For real
True.
though, I
True.
think about this once a week. I'm like, you know how much money I make on a monthly basis because of everything Sperber did like 10 years ago, 12 years ago, all the shit you
It's
went
real.
through
It's
A
real.
lot.
for everybody in the industry. It's crazy.
And he's still
I-
opening doors. Sorry to cut you off, but I have to say this on this show because it's real. So Billie Jean is one of my heroes. I love the guy. You guys know I make creative ads. Yeah.
Amazing video.
And he's the guy.
Yep.
The OG of it and the still G of it, the guy, right? So I've always just had a man crush on Billy. And we just get to walk into Billy's studio here.
And you're here.
And I'm in here and we're doing a podcast. And 5 minutes ago, I was chopping it up with him and I just, made it real in my head that holy shit, Cody Sperber can open up 100,000 doors for you.
Mm.
That's awesome.
I thank you for saying that. I obviously got lucky at a time and a place with the birth of social media and real estate investing, everything melding together, brand building, personal brand. I was at the right place at the right time. What I love about what you guys are doing is you're taking it to the next level. You guys are taking, and if you guys don't know these guys, they are the stars of the A&E TV show, Triple Digit Flip. And look, you guys finished season 1, huge success. Filming season 2 as we speak. Already have a bunch of seasons pre-ordered. So the show was a massive success. All right. You guys are super successful real estate investors. I want to have just some random ass conversations about how the hell did you guys end up here?
Gosh.
Because it's a journey.